I'm Cassandra, or Cass, and this is Tucker and our newly added companion, Oliver. Over a year ago, we moved in to our 2020 Ford Transit, who I call Freedom, and together we've driven 6,000 kilometers across the beautiful country of Canada, from Alberta to Newfoundland and everything in between. As we enjoy the last few weeks of the East Coast, we will soon be making our way back to the central part of the country, and we are so excited to take you along. It is the weekend, and today the adventures continue because I have been in the Nova Scotia, Halifax area for a long time, and there are a few places, a few beaches that I have yet to go to. We are going beach hopping today, 3 of them. That is the goal, and I am going to take you along with me. Oh, and I'm very excited because I have some friends coming with me. Okay. Hey, did you try to go in that van?
I just opened that van.
You opened it?
I literally opened it and was like ready
That's
to
the
get
delivery man.
And he didn't care.
Yeah.
No, we're coming in. We're coming in.
September 15th, 17th, and we're going in the water. Oh God, it's gonna be cold. Oh God, oh God. Okay, okay. Touch your skin. I did it in front of myself. I feel so hot. And then the unexpected happened.
Pictures like that have a lot of people thinking about Fiona today.
Category 1 and actually just became a Category 2. A couple of days it is going to be moving north, maybe as much as a Category 4. But as it transitions to post-tropical and rolls into our region, if it's on the west side of the cone of uncertainty, that would put Halifax and western areas.
Today is Wednesday, and I'm freaking the fuck out. I think it's hitting me that the hurricane is coming, and I want to take extra caution and I need to cover up my entire roof is what I want to do. And I feel like people are laughing at me about this, but like I'd rather just be over prepared. And I'm trying not to freak out. I am projecting that this weekend is going to be the wildest weekend of my life. It's like super warm and like gray out today. And to me, what feels weird is, okay, so today's Wednesday. It's just like very humid, very warm, very calm. And the hurricane's supposed to hit like, I don't even know. Also, I'm getting a tattoo this weekend. So like, what? It's gonna be a wild weekend because I don't really know if I'm gonna be in the van. I don't know if I'm gonna be in a house. I don't really know. Currently talking to family to see if I can park in their driveway to like keep myself a little bit protected. That's where we're at. It's Wednesday. It's calm, muggy. It's humid, but it's not raining. So Tucker can live his best life for a little while. So funny, like with the weather right now, it's like either raining and like super dark and gray, or it's like beautiful and sunny. I'm just documenting every day. It's what we're doing, because this is my first hurricane ever, and it's the worst hurricane that Nova Scotia apparently, that could change, I guess, is going to see because of how much rain and wind is coming. Anyways, right now, she beautiful outside. Okay, we gotta go. Go.
Here's our takeaways for tonight. The heavy rain, that's going to be along and left of that track. Looking at the most likely chance of those strong winds, but generators are fired up and you've got lots of, and so yes, time to prepare indeed. Newfoundland through most of Nova Scotia, except for the Tri-County area and PEI and eastern New Brunswick. Now these are the areas that are most likely to be impacted from this storm. Now watch what happens Thursday into Friday, that left turn, and it starts to turn into Atlantic Canada as a trough. An incoming cold front helps to pull the storm into Atlantic.
In next week's video, I take you with me on an experience I hope to never experience again. My first official harsh Category 3 hurricane in Atlantic Canada.